In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly for error correction step by step, so you can quickly fix grammar issues, spelling mistakes, and awkward phrasing in your writing. Whether you're writing emails, blog posts, school assignments, or social media content, Grammarly can help make your writing cleaner and more professional in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Grammarly. Then sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside, look for the web-based Grammarly editor. This is the main space where you can paste your text and let Grammarly analyze it for possible errors. Now, add your text by copying and pasting your writing directly into the editor. You can paste in a paragraph, an entire document, or even just a short section you want to clean up. After your text is added, Grammarly will automatically begin scanning it. This is where the magic starts. Look carefully for the colored underlines that appear under problematic words or phrases. These underlines are Grammarly's way of showing you where it thinks something could be improved. Different colors may point to different types of issues, like grammar, clarity, punctuation, or spelling. Next, hover to inspect the highlighted alert. When you move your mouse over an underlined word or phrase, Grammarly will show you a short explanation of the error. This is really helpful because it doesn't just give you a correction, it also helps you understand why the issue was flagged in the first place. That means you're not only fixing your writing, you're also learning how to write better over time. Once you understand the suggestion, click to accept the recommended change. Grammarly will apply the fix automatically, which saves you time and reduces the chance of manual editing mistakes. If the suggestion looks right, accept it. If you think your original wording is better, you can ignore the recommendation and keep moving through the rest of the text. Keep repeating this process as you go through your document. Review the underlines, hover to inspect each alert, and click to accept the suggestions that improve your writing. This is a fast and easy way to polish your content without having to check every sentence yourself. Grammarly helps streamline the editing process so you can focus more on your message and less on tiny mistakes. One helpful tip is to read through your final text after making corrections. Even though Grammarly is powerful, it's always smart to give your writing one last human review to make sure everything sounds natural and matches your tone. That extra step can make a big difference, especially if you're writing something important. And that's how to use Grammarly for error correction. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for improving your writing in less time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.